Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, TikTok Shop lets you sell products directly inside TikTok so in today's small tutorial, I will show you exactly how to connect Shopify to the shop in 2026, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first thing first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Go and look for the TikTok app in Shopify. We're gonna go look for Shopify in the search bar, go all the way to your store, log in using your email address and password. It's time now to go to this app section, then tap on add. Go and tap on Shopify App Store here. It will take you to this new window where we're gonna go and look for this TikTok app that we want to basically install and download. Give it all of them permissions needed so you can basically log in, sign in, or even create a TikTok Shop account. Next, connect to Shopify store. Authorize Shopify inside the TikTok Seller Center. Then choose Product to Sync. Select which products you want to sell. Then set the shipping and returns. Configure the shipping and return settings as well. Enable the order sync. Then allow TikTok to sync orders with Shopify. Submit for the review since TikTok will review your shop setup. It will probably take from like 24 hours to 48 depending basically on the business days or working days. You can go live once approved. Products appear on TikTok Shop. So I'm gonna tell you also to use the short product titles for TikTok, enable affiliate creators for extra sales, then check the country eligibility before even the setup. As you see guys, it's not available for me, but for you guys you will be able to download and use the app as usual. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.